Are you running out of ideas or can't find a solution to reach your customers? 9 out of 10 viewers said that they wanted to see more videos from brands and businesses. Whether you're looking to reach out to a more wider audience, connect with your clients, or simply interested in getting your name or your businesses out there, creating videos is a great way to go about it. As a business owner or creator, which solution do you choose to create videos? Most video editors require steep learning curves to learn and may take time to master. Invideo offers an intuitive, full-featured video creation experience for amateurs and professionals alike. It combines video editing, compositing, and rendering via browser to make a seamless and user-friendly experience. When you are on Invideo, you are welcomed by a display page with categories and features that will help you as a beginner to create professional-looking videos. Invideo has provided a smart approach to making videos and the easy and smart way. Let's sign up first with your name, email, and password. Once you create an account, you are free to use Invideo free of charge. However, when you create a video with Invideo, the output video file will be branded with an Invideo watermark. By upgrading, you can create videos without any watermark. For today, we're gonna explore pre-made templates and blank canvas. First category is the pre-made templates, where you get the choice to select any of the 5,000 available videos in any theme. Let's type shopping on the search bar, and it will generate various ready-made templates for shopping offers and product ads. And you can definitely see shopping for diamonds or clothes or even sale announcements. So let's say if I were to click on this example, I will be able to use this template to create an ad. So if I were to choose, a landscape template, 16 by 9. So it will load to an editor page where you can make the necessary changes. On the top, you will see a random number, and let's rename this as a file name. Over to the left, you will find various functions and selections. For now, let's make changes to the text. So if I were to hover on this section here, I can, change the font type to this specific Acronica regular font. And I can even resize this to a smaller size. Or I can change the color to a vibrant red color. Let's move this over here. Okay. If I were to select this ring over here, I can definitely replace it with something else. Let's say if I were to, type in a ring perhaps. I could use this and replace it to the existing picture. An important note for all beginners: for this example, you will find that there's 4 different sections of the video: the intro, and perhaps the content, or maybe the offers for this shopping ad. This could be, the call to action. Invideo also lets you select your own music, where it contains the different genres or moods. So for this specific example, I'm gonna find a very relaxed video. I will find a very calm, relaxing piano music. I will just I will just select that track and put it on the timeline over here. So you can see that it will play the exact selection. If you don't want this section, you can delete it. Okay, we can make some adjustment to the call to action. Let's type it over here and type our website address. Once you're done, you can click export and you can download the video as an MP4 file. Once you are done, you can hover to the right side of the screen and select export. The best resolution would be the 1080 pixels, that's the standard full HD format, or you can select the 720 pixels for social media. So you can click on this button here and it is now rendering as we speak. You can click on the download button. So it will auto download to your downloads folder and you can play back to see the final video. So one thing to note is that Invideo also lets you share it to your social media platforms like Facebook, so you can type it any copy for your social media and just share it to your audience right away. All your projects are autosave, so you can definitely make additional changes if you need to. So for the next example, I'm going to show you how to create a video from scratch. Hover down to the editor tab, select the dimensions according to your preference. For this example, I'm going to do a YouTube video, so I'm going to select the landscape option and it will load up to the edit page. Select the clips that you want and it will load the selected clips on this section over here. Once you have selected the clips that you want for your YouTube video, click on the clip and bring it over to the timeline. You can choose another clip and bring it over here. So it is important to separate the blocks or the clips so that you can make the necessary edit. Okay, so this is the first scene and this is the next scene. If I were to click on this clip here, I can widen according to the dimensions and I can make the necessary edit as I want. I can split it. I can split the scene and separate the unwanted clip and just delete. Now I'm going to show you how to include a title on the first scene. I'm just going to hover down to the text and type the title as I wish. For this one, I'm just gonna do a random title based on the event that I've been to. Okay, I can, just drag it and position it at the top. I can make it contrast by, changing the color to black, or perhaps increase the font size to larger. Or if I wish to change the color, I can make it to perhaps red or even yellow. Let's make it black for now. Okay, so there you have it, the text. If I wish to include a logo, you can click on this tab here, hover down to the files and choose the preferred logo, and it will be displayed on the video file. I can adjust I can adjust the size and the position to where I want it to be displayed, or I can perhaps just display it at a certain time if I wish to do so. In this example, I'm just gonna make it display for the first 5 seconds. The video will not be complete without any music, so I can select any genres or moods. Perhaps I can choose a very inspiring, track. If I were to, I can just preview the track over here. Or I can just, if I'm happy with the track, I can drag it. And, let's preview. Alternatively, you can, do a voiceover. Just above the timeline, you will see the voiceover icon. Click on it. You can record your voiceover. Make sure you allow your microphone to be activated. And when you're ready, you just click on this record button to record your own voice. Once you have recorded your voice, just end it by click on the stop button, and you can play back the track again. Once you have done all the editing, don't forget to click the export button, choose the correct resolution, and click on export. Invideo will generate the final output within minutes. Once it has finished rendering, you can play back, or you can just click download to generate a file copy. There you have it. These easy steps will help you make your first video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Start making these videos right away. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.